Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to do our second zodiac sign look, Cancer. In case my face is new for you, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also give a like only if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this or similar, or anything makeup related, or just want to see me talk and chat. But anyway, let's jump right into the video. So sometimes I have the picture in my head, like what do I want to create, and then I don't even do basically anything. I just sit down and I start to do it. But this time, another laugh, I had an idea. The ideas I was pulling together from these pictures I will show you now in 1 second. These are the pictures I was taking as an inspiration from Pinterest for the Cancer look. And then I put more pictures together to make it like a whole, to see like, is it actually gonna look nice? And I did this very beautiful sketch. Now there are two options. Sometimes if I have an idea for a look, I write it down. Because maybe I have the idea in the moment when I'm under the shower or in a supermarket shopping or whatsoever. So I'm actually not in the moment that I'm going to be able to do it. So that is option one, when I write it down. Option number two, when the actual look is so complex that even if I write it down for myself, later I won't understand it. So that's when it comes and I make a beautiful drawing. But it's just to have the idea, you know? So I'm gonna guide you too now, guys. I was seeing this beautiful, don't even bother with the numbers, okay? So I had the idea to create this headpiece. It wouldn't be a crown, but I actually wanted to do a crown. Then my idea was to put the actual zodiac sign on my forehead. For the eyes, I wrote black and white because I wanted to have my two eye color like different one, because I think that would have looked sick. But meanwhile, my contact lens arrives from TTTI for the Cancer look. So then instead of the black, I will use the actual colored one. And for the white, it's just going to be like a complete white contact lens. And the whole theme is going to be this black and gold. So buckle up for that. For the eye look, I didn't really want something super colorful blending. I was more thinking something e-girl stylish eyeliner. But we will figure it out. It's just, you know, the idea is the process. And then for this part, what you guys can see here, I also saw like a tattoo art on Pinterest. I will pull all those pictures up. And basically the crab, the body of the crab was a rose, and then it had the legs coming up to the neck. So that's what we're gonna do here for me. So yeah, this is the idea. This is my beautiful sketch. And now I will show you guys how I was doing the headpiece. So first off, I only did one side of the headpiece because I'm just gonna cut them out so I can put it on a harder cardboard. And then I just gonna like duplicate or copy it on the other side. But this is so far how it looks like on a harder paper. Now I'm just gonna cut them out and put it on a cardboard. So here is the prototype. So as you guys can see, I cut them out one by one, and with a little glue, I kind of more or less glued it against the headpiece to see where I would like to have them and would look nice. And then what I did next, I put these ones like this on a paper. So I went around the borders and then I basically copied it. And then I duplicated it. So then I'm just gonna twist it on the other side. And we needed to color these parts. And I also bought this little golden pen, this one, because I used makeup to make this black. But then I couldn't do anything with gold to not like, I was thinking to do makeup here as well as a gold, you know. But I was like, damn, I have nothing gold makeup stuff so I could put on it. And if I grab it, it's not gonna go around go everywhere. I don't know how to speak anymore.
Because my previous look with the Pisces, I used makeup and then it was transferring to everything. So I bought this one and I did the little detailing for the crabs with this. I show you in 3, 2, 1. Oh, here you go. So this was a prototype and I just copied it. Here is the black eyeliner basically, because I really like it because they dried so nicely, much better than if I would have done it with fits. Then here is the little detailing with the golden part, because I will do it with my black background, the pictures, and it would have completely melted into it, you know, like nothing there. And I was like, I think gold is so cute. So yeah, this is the gold details all around. I'll show you guys a bit closer. Yeah, the background noise is just ignore it. It's Kelly playing with Daddy. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove this one from here, the prototype, and I will use this headband around these ones. Somehow I'm gonna put these the same way like this one is on it. I'm just gonna sign it where it's supposed to be. I glue it. Once it's dry, hopefully the headband is not gonna be visible, only this part around my head, so it will look so cute. Yeah, this is the headpiece, and I will show you in 1 second how is it gonna look like done. I don't know how to speak. Like, ignore my makeup, okay? This is a completely different vibe I'm having on. I did it for a live for TikTok, so just ignore it. But you can also check it out on my TikTok if you wanna. It's not a Cancer look, but here you go. This is how it would look like on my head. It would be a little lower, somewhere like this on the side. I'm trying to show it to you guys. I don't know if you guys can. This. My arms are not long enough. It would be something like this, the vibe I was thinking to do with it. Just in black and white. It's going to be so cute, I promise. So this is our lovely headpiece ready and done. So these are the prototype I was showing to you guys before, the copy-paste version. I colored them with black eyeliner because I like the matte finish of it. And then I went over with some gold detailed pencil because nothing else would have popped that much like this one, especially if my camera would zoom in. I found this in DM, was in a set of silver and gold, and I was like, I need you. So yeah, this is how the finished look turned out. I know it's not a crown. I want to do some headpiece and each one of them a bit different than the other. So this is our Cancer. And to show you how is the back holding it, I have this little plastic securing hook. I don't know I don't know what's the name of this. And yeah, that's basically the one that's holding it like more stiff, so it's not wobbling that much. Because the paper is actually like a quite hard paper, but still, you know, some support. And if I'm not happy with the position, as this part of it, I did not glue against it, I can also just pull it upwards or more lower if I don't like it on the side of my head. But yes, this is the finished headpiece for our Cancer look.
Now, I need to do a little bit of an outfit change, because if I want to do something on my upper body here as well, with this one it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna be changing my outfit in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Outfit change. Ooh, that was magical. No, whatever. And yeah, this also needs to go because I'm sorry, guys, that you are in the middle of the way. Sorry, not sorry. I put you back later. I promise. I think I promise. I put you back later. So I don't know if it's like kind of like open enough. I mean, it is pretty open. So yes, we just need to mentally prepare ourselves. I will do, I think, first the crab on the chest, and then I will go for the eye, and then obviously with the headpiece we're gonna finish the whole. I need to also get rid of my hair just until I do it, because it's just going to bother me. Oh, much better. Or crab. Yeah, that one's better. Oh, yes.
So here you guys can see the original owner of the picture, and this is the one we are going to copy.
And I really gonna hope I'm gonna be able to copy this, because damn, it looks a little difficult. Out some of these little stickers, and I will fill up the body of the crab, and then I will do some more detailings. Crab is going to take the life out of me. Now that I'm done with the gold detailing, I think I just need to put some flowers, some more flowers to kind of this 3D effect, and then we're gonna go on the eye. I'm really close to just take it all off, because I don't really like it. I don't know. Maybe I just need to pull my together, finish like the whole thing together, and then maybe it's gonna look bad. I don't know. Anyway, now we're going for the eye. Also tried out the Halo Beauty new lipstick called Coco. Lip gloss. I don't know what the scent in it. Smells so good. A super size conceal and define full coverage concealer from Makeup Revolution. I like to mix the primer with the foundation. So when I'm like working the foundation into my skin, I just mix it together with the primer. On my driest skin, it works way better like this than if I prime my skin first. This is the eye shape I'm trying to go for with the liner. I will finish it on the other eye as well, and I will be right back. I finished the other eye as well. Now we're gonna pop up some lashes, some big lashes. So now that I'm done with the eyes and the lips, I honestly don't know if shall I put the white contact lens in the one side and the other one this one, or just with this one. Are we gonna do a look with both? I'm speechless. We are officially done with the Cancer zodiac sign. Keep touching my hair. Oh my god, I love the headpiece. I think the headpiece is my favorite, and this simple and strong kind of liner. My crab is waving. He's saying hi. So good. Yes, we are officially done with our Cancer look. I especially love the headpiece. I think it turned out really cool. He's also very happy. Keep waving to you guys like hello. My hair and my cups are holding it. Like, can you maybe just let my hair go? And this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In case you did, make sure you press the thumb button underneath. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel to see my face and my voice and my hyperactivity way more often. Thank you very much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one. Until you know the rules, stay safe, have a nice day. Bye! Our next look is going to be... I will do more stuff as well, but now I'm doing the ZODIAC sign, so just